Are you ready, Jade and Jed?
Yes po. Yes po.
Okay, for today, Jade will study phonics 2 and Jed will study phonics K. First, I will read the instruction and you will answer it. Okay?
I know.
Write each letter.
I know.
Listen.
I know. Our second kid.
Okay. Write each letter while saying the strokes. Say the sounds of the letter. Hear and say the beginning sound of each picture. Circle the picture that begins with the same sound. So what letter is this?
Is a pretty word. K.
Okay, this is K. I will told you those in the picture. Okay, this is kids.
Mommy.
Bell. This one is meat.
Meat.
Which picture start in letter K?
Kids.
Very good. Next,
Skunk.
bend, kick, tag. Which one starts in letter K? Bend,
Hands.
kick, tag. What is this?
Kick.
Very good.
Ant.
Next,
Swan.
kiss, tube, mass.
Swing.
Which one? Kiss, kiss,
Kiss.
tube, mass. Which one start in letter K? Very good. What is this?
Kiss.
Very good.
How come you hear me?
Next, tire, bib,
Bib.
kite, kite.
Kahoo.
Which one start in letter K? Very good.
Wanna get a kite?
Yes. Did you understand the phonic sounds of K? What is the phonic sounds of K?
Turang.
K, K, K. Okay, next. Listen to what I say. Hear and say the beginning sounds of the picture. Circle the letters that sound the same as the beginning sounds of the picture.
Mommy.
Yes?
Mommy, posta video
Why?
ating kwate.
Okay. Now, circle the correct letter. What is this?
K.
Okay, what letter start? V, K, Y.
K.
Very good. So, circle. Make circle nice. Okay, next, what is this?
Tie.
Tire. What letter starts? F, T, E.
T.
Very good. See? You understand phonic sounds. What is this?
Kite.
What letter starts? Z, K, X. What's the answer?
K.
Very good. What is this?
Mud.
Mud. What letter
M.
starts? Very good. You know already the phonic sounds.
kiss.
What letter?
T.
Very good. Next, what is this?
Bib.
What letter? Wow. Now did you understand the beginning sounds
Yes.
of the word?
Yes.
Now, say it. What letter is this? Yes, 1 minute. Next, this is kite.
Kite. K-I-T-E.
Kite.
Kite.
This,
B-A-T.
this,
B-A-L-L.
ball.
Bowl. M-O-L.
What's this?
Mom.
Very good. So, which word starts in letter K? Very good. Circle. Wow. Next, this one. Write each letter while saying the stroke. Write this one. Say the sounds of the letter. Hear and say the ending sounds of each picture. Circle the picture that ends with the same sounds. Okay, now we are in the ending sounds. The last letter. You understand? See this one? What is this?
Nest.
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 What letter end?
T.
Very good. Bike. Bike.
B.
Ending. Bike.
Okay.
Very good. This one. Bed. Bed.
T.
What?
T.
Bed.
D. D.
D.
D.
Okay, in which tree picture ends with letter K? What is that?
White.
Very good. The ending sound is K. So this one, hook.
Hook.
Hook. This, wait. This, time. What letter this one? Time.
M.
This one,
K.
gate.
Gate.
What letter?
T.
Okay, which picture ends in letter K?
Hook.
Very good. Next, Tim.
Second.
What letter ends? Tim. Tim.
T.
Ending, the last sound. Tim.
M.
Very good. Tab. Very good. Book.
T. K.
Very good. Which the answer? Very good. Now, chick. Chick. What ending sound?
K.
Tube.
B.
Gum.
M.
Very good. Which the answer?
T.
Very good. Now, did you understand the beginning sounds and the ending sounds letter K?
Yes.
Very good. So, we will proceed to the next lesson.